We may proceed, sir. Yeah. Yeah, it's great.
Thank you.
So this is the ballot presidential selection. Yeah, so going down the faces, those who are standing. This is Banda.
Bali awa amena kutisana watiko amenepo muva kyoni amenepo muona kuita kwao
Ase Jeff, pangono Anti, muri pasampata nditu kuti tijambule chitunzi chabwino pepani. Are you done? Yeah. Jeff, waru vambiri. Awo watu simpa kamono bwana pia kupasa mpata. We would want a clean one. Jeff, all what?
Take your time.
Well, you can put it again. Yes. What are these? I just did the 40 again. Let's 40 again. Yeah. Sunda bangono, sunda ni madam bangono.
Sunda bangono.
Sunda ni bangono, madam.
Madam, move away.
Merci.
Unali nditu amene akupikisana pa ulendo wa president angapo nditu amene nditu apotera maboma osiyanasiyana nawo analija kumasamba jaji amene aponyera voti yawo ndipo atupere mulwitsi nawo anali kumachinga amene aponyera voti yawo komanso Joyce Banda anali kuzomba kumene aponyera voti yawo Michael Usi anali Atlanta kumene aponyera voti yawo pano Profesa Adadi Mutharika ali kwa Goliati boma limene lacholo akuponyera nditu voti yawo posachedwa tikhale tikuyankhula ndi Profesa Adadi Mutharika tingoyankhula nawo mwachidule kuti mwina anthu ankupanga appreciate kuti zinthuzo zayenda motani kaponyedwe ka voti kaenda motani khale ndithu tikuyankhula nawo posachedwa mapang'ono
Ndio kanikuwa nikili space bomb.
Magamba ndithu kuti
Pastor, hello, good. Thank you. Wait.
You can use this way.
But specific.
Hey, I'll fight the news for Zodiac. Where? Say, how about those
Amaponya voti yanu abantu ba Goliati mina tikutenga wanji kabina zimene mufuna kuwaonetsa Malawi mpaka makufunikira kuponya voti
Asatia ngabani kudi zikono lisinke mumadana ziko Panavuta ndiye vuto ndio kufunika kwambiri kuti zikono liba sokolo mafuta amene takhana pa zaka 5 kulikapera tikati kwatesa
pali kufunika kotani kuti Amalawi asagwe mphwayi atuluke mnyumba zawo ndi kupita kukaponya voti
I think Malawi onse akuona zimene zachitika zaka 5 zapitazi akuchenjera kwambiri njala mautosiyana akuziwa kwambiri aona zonse akuziwa kuti zimene zithe Mungu adafuna kuti zithe kusvika kuliwo akabode kuti kapena pakhale boma lasopano kuti kapena kwisi boma lasopano zinthu zingakusika.
Your Excellency, you've just cast your vote.
Bringing a new government, and maybe a new government will try its best to correct some of the problems. And when you have a situation like this where in 5 years a government has not been what will happen with that group, and so on and so forth. That's why we have elections every 5 years.
Now, voting is a right, and we have seen people coming in their large numbers to vote. But maybe there could be some who have not yet made up their mind to go and vote. What would you tell them?
Well, to tell them that it's very, very important that they should go and vote. I think it's a responsibility of every Malawian in our democracy to exercise the right to vote, the right to decide how this country is going to go in future. If you don't vote, then you are losing, throwing away that right to decide how this country is going to be managed in future. So I urge everyone to vote.
What's a general impression of the election process today?
General impression of the
election process is today from the start to where you casted your first ballot?
Well, I haven't been to many places, but I'm told there's a good turnout. I'm told there are a few places where they've found some funny things. I think some ballot papers. I think Chilomoni, somewhere, a place called Malembo in Yomwe, and a few others. A few irregularities, but the impression I'm getting is that this is going really well, better than we expected. I think it's going well. I think everyone is behaving responsibly, both the government and the opposition. We all wish this country well. So I think everyone is exercising responsibility and restraint. And I think it's going to be that way.
As we wait for results, your message to Malawians?
My message?
Yes.
My message is we will wait for the results, and then after that we take Malawi forward.
Thank you so much. That's Professor Adadi, former president of Malawi.
Jangan